Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to add distortion to GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you have not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can find all the instruments that you can play, you can get started recording yourself, and so on. So let's go ahead and see how we can get started with adding the distortion effect. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the audio recorder option right here. It's going to open up this new recording menu, and now you can get started recording yourself. So to record yourself, what you have to do is click the big red circle right here at the top of the screen. As you can see, it's going to start the recording process, and then you can go ahead and get started recording yourself, your vocals, and so on. And you can immediately get started with adding effects right here, such as monster and so on, but we're not going to be using that. What we're going to use is right here in the upper left corner is the sliders option. As you can see, this is going to enable us to take a look at the track settings right here, and we can take a look at the plugins and equalizer. So basically guys, the distortion effect is going to be under plugins and equalizer. If you have that distortion effect available in your GarageBand, it's going to appear right here under plugins and equalizer, so you can go ahead and find it right here and start using all of its options to get your desired effect on your vocals and to apply it. After that, you can just go ahead and exit out normally, and it's going to apply it and save it. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching. Take care and bye.